chest wet and writhing, she wears her title like a lantern well out into the night, out onto the feral street that does not care to know her name. Deep house music. What moves you, moves you. You stay until the lyrics bleed through, until the body is a crude object, your mouth on the DJ, hips indebted to the crush, and the crew cuts, and the low-cut jeans, and the tank tops that say, fuck you, she's with me. You don't watch where you put your hands. You don't wait for a moment to flower. You are grinding at the edge of the world. She kisses you, and you've never been this new. The beat drops, and you can move, can call on God, and Yamaya, and Buddha, and the full heart going boom, going hip to thigh with the night, until night arches back with a cry, with an eye from the spine and rocks like no one's taken no one home before. We fling bodies against the night until it breaks into math, into chorus, make a treehouse of our feet and a constitution of tongues, make shame an outlaw, us, the fool. I've researched the moon. I give the sun nothing to go on about. Take my chin across her clavicle like a cat, like a child who only wants her way and knows the rub, bone against skin, against bone, hair tugged hard enough for sting, the divine undivided breath of chest against chest. We know home is a spot well below the belly, and it's sure not the knees. We're all verb here, all move and move again, dip and roll back, tug close and open, cut me. Another line on the perfect glacier of your lip, melt me. A little piece for this fresh glutton I've become.